What's up guys, back with another video. I wanted to show you guys how the vinyl held up after a week, and I'm quite surprised. Alright, so many of you guys know last week, about a week ago, I tinted my taillights with the Vivid Vinyl Light Smoke. It came out looking pretty fantastic, but I want to show you guys how it held up after a whole week in sunny Florida. It's super hot here, as you guys know. I hope my camera isn't too bright, but this is how it is all year round. I'm going to zoom in and show you guys exactly how well it actually held up. Alright, super windy out here, but as you can see, it looks fantastic. I was stressing right here a lot when I was wrapping taillight. You can see in the video that I really spent a lot of time trying to get this to sit before I actually glassed that side out. But as you can see, there's really no air bubble there at all. It's holding pretty well. The rest of it, fantastic. As you can see, I cut this out right here. These two pieces right here. Looks a lot cleaner than just the whole thing wrapped. Corners, try to see if I can focus. Holding up pretty well as well. I didn't overstretch it, so that's the reason why it looks that great. But the fact that if you watch that video, you see that I glassed it out that way. That kind of pulls attention over there, and it hugs all of this down here, so you don't have to worry about it pulling back. And with that, it actually hugs up here as well, which is great because, you know, wrapping anything that's 9 degrees like this is very difficult to, you know, keep all these corners down. It starts to bunch up. So right here, it started bunching up here. That's because of me. I probably didn't heat it up enough before I actually cut, but I did do this side first. So I never wrapped the taillight before, but you know, I wrapped the car, so it's about the same thing. Here, of course, held up pretty nice. It's relatively flat here. This is only the tricky part of the tail light. That's going to be with any car. Any car that has a little piece that sticks out like this is going to be very difficult to wrap. This side, holding up pretty well as well. Same thing here. I have a little bit of air in there, as you can see. I'm moving it. Pretty bad, but honestly, it's not that bad. It still holds its shape. It looks fantastic. Again, corners and edges looks great. So with that, I also want to talk about taillights that are actually clear coated with a little bit of black paint in it. That's another professional way to tint taillights. I'll show you it on my brother's car and show you that it looks identical to mine's, with one exception. Alright, here is my brother's taillights. Looks identical to mine's. They are OEM ISF taillights, but they are tinted with clear coat. So it looks fantastic. It's always going to remain shiny unless you scratch the crap out of it. But the only bad thing about having clear coated taillights for tint, still applies with headlights, is that you get this. See that? It's matte because it's been wet sanded or sanded and re-cleared. That's the only bad thing I would say when it comes to getting your taillights professionally clear coated with, you know, a drop of black paint to represent the tint. It'll chip over time. For something like that, you're gonna have to wet sand the whole entire thing down and re-clear it again. Only thing with that, you have to mix it exactly how it was before so it matches the other side. That's the only bad thing. He didn't tint down there, so I might actually just tint that for him. So this is his car, and this is my car. So if those of you who are wondering if the Vivid tint or any vinyl tint in general holds up pretty well, it will, as long as you do it properly. Don't overstretch, don't overheat, and it'll look great. Like I said, Vivid was super easy to work with. I'm pretty sure any other company that provides it are the same, as long as it's quite reputable. Don't take my word for it, I just have experience with Vivid. So yeah, that's gonna be a +1 for me on this project. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully I can make some more, but I just want to keep you guys updated on the vinyl, and it hasn't failed yet, so we'll see. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next project. Peace.